We are heading to Kuromon Sanpei, the fish sashimi store that we had. That was delicious. We noticed that near the end, before they close, they have a discount. So we're hoping to snag some discounted fish.
Hopefully they have some today. We saw it the other day, but we were too full. So
Yeah.
hopefully they have some.
We're here. There's a big crowd right now. Let's see if we can get anything.
Which one do you want? You want the sashimi one? It's so
Do you want the
massive.
platter?
But it's massive.
Really? This platter here, the original price is 4,800 and now it's going for 3,800. That's an extra 1,000 off.
It has salmon and uni and the tuna.
Whoa, how much is that? 350? Yeah, you want to try that?
That's the only one left.
Okay, grab it.
There's those ones too. Those are only 1,000.
Okay, you want to grab one too?
Those are just like regular though. I think it's too much though. I don't think we can finish it.
Excellent, we're able to snag a deal. So the sushi we got is 4,800 and we're able to get it for 3,500. Can't wait to try that out. Wow, look, it comes with uni, it has the tuna, and salmon with ikura eggs, yo. So these are actually supposed to be 980 yen and now it's on sale for 500 yen. These scallops here were originally almost 800 yen. Now it's selling for 450. We're actually gonna grab one of these. And then they also have fatty tuna sushi here. 2,500, now 1,000 off. Pretty good deals right before they close.
You know, you got such good deals on sushi. I'm excited to go back and eat it.
Yeah. This is what we're talking about.
That's what I'm talking about. Now that's some sushi.
Check that out. Wow. And now Debbie's gonna open the next box. Ooh. Check that out.
Wasabi and all?
Yeah, wasabi on all. Okay, no wasabi on you? Amazing.
But the soy sauce came in the little fish packaging.
That is kawaii.
So that you can squirt the perfect amount on each one.
Just drops, just drops.
Okay, which one should I go first? I want to go for the scallop first. Okay, first bite. Wow. Oh my god. That was so good. The scallop is so soft and with the roe, it's like the perfect combination because you got a little bit of crunch from the roe and then the soft jelliness from the scallop. Oh my goodness. You wouldn't expect it to taste as fresh or as good because it's like, oh, discounted sushi. They basically just want to get rid of it because it's the end of the day. The freshness is still there. Like, the discount is just a plus.
Wow.
Ready?
Go.
Oh my god. It's so creamy. Oh, it's so sweet. I love it. Oh my goodness. Again, no fishiness at all in the uni here. Just fresh umami creaminess melting in your mouth. Amazing. I'll try.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh my god. The salmon is so fatty. It's so soft. Wow. The eggs add a lot to it, honestly. That's a lot of flavor and texture to it. I love it. So fresh still. Amazing. Now for the tuna. I think it's a different cut. It's less fatty, but just as soft and tender. It's still like just falling apart in your mouth. Really delicious. I'm so happy. This was so worth it. Wow.
Tuna is just different in Japan. Back in Canada, the tuna, they usually just serve like the albacore, just like standard whatever tuna. But here, they have the bougie tuna. This tuna is delicious. Uni, I don't usually like uni, but the uni here so far has been very delicious. Whoa.
It's so creamy.
Super creamy. The umami just like hits like a freaking train. I'm really happy we got this. If you go to Kuromon Market right before closing around 4:30, they close at 5, around there, 4:30, you should be able to get some really good deals on the sushi.
We picked up okonomiyaki and takoyaki.
Ooh.
So just gonna eat back at the Airbnb since we're really tired right now.
Whoa.
That's really good. It's still like piping hot.
We got 6 pieces of takoyaki. Oh
Wow.
my goodness.
That's really good.
That looks huge.
I didn't know it comes with an egg. On the menu it said add egg. So I'll try the okonomiyaki first.
Let's go.
Takoyakis. Oh.
That looks so soft.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's so hot. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat it.
That's a big piece.
Good.
Wow.
Oh, so good. That's so yummy. It's like so soft and gooey with all the cabbage, everything inside. You can taste like all the ingredients. I can taste the pickle ginger. You can taste the bonita flakes, the sauce. Oh my goodness, delicious. The takoyaki is kind of soggy,
Oh my god.
but
It's
it
'cause
smells amazing.
it's piping hot, that's why. Closed in a container.
Oh, it's so hot. Look at
Wow.
it. It's so gooey. Wow. So hot. Wow. This one's really gooey. It tastes like how it looks.
Oh. That's hot. Oh wow. My mouth is on fire. The takoyaki, super hot, super fresh. It just melts in your mouth. It basically falls apart. It's really good.
devouring this okonomiyaki because it's really good.
The place was really popular. It was like full house at like
Yeah.
10 o'clock.
So they have a dine-in
PM.
option and the restaurant was full, but they also have like a little stand outside and then there was a line for that too. Super busy. People are even ordering like Uber from it.
Delicious.
Ooh. Oh.
What?
That's the
wrong with it?
juice.
It's a potato.
It's a sweet potato. Wow.
What in the world?
Wow.
Did they mash it? Is that cheese?
Sweet potato, but maybe they torched it with some sugar. So it's
It's
like
a sweet
extra
potato.
sweet.
This is a sweet potato. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah.
This is a dessert.
What's at the top looks like? It's like
Very
some
interesting.
custard
Oh my
thing
God,
maybe? It was in the fridge, so it's cold. So I guess you're supposed to eat it cold. Let's give it a try.
It's a dessert. It's a dessert.
That's so good!
I was expecting a
Oh my
meal.
god! The top is like torched with custard and sugar. It tastes kind of like pudding.
This is a dessert potato.
It's a creme brulee sweet potato.
Wow.
Wow.
Only in Japan.
That is amazing. So it's like the top layer, the yellow part, that's a different color from the bottom half, is actually custard.
Interesting.
And then they torch the top so it's a little bit crispy, just like creme brulee.
What? Madness. I cannot believe what I'm hearing.
Mmm. That's really yummy. I really like it. Wow, that actually goes really well together because the sweet potato itself is so soft. Has a very similar texture to the custard. So then when you start chewing and biting into it, it's
It
just
just
like,
all blends.
yeah, it all blends together. You get the sweet potato flavor, but the creme brulee as well. Oh my
Very
gosh.
interesting.
That's amazing. Wow. I love custard and creme brulee, so this is like a dream for me. Also got this matcha daifuku.
Wow. That looks amazing. Ooh.
Oh, it's so soft. Oh,
I can see
I
that.
like squishing it.
Oh my goodness, what the
Wow, it's so perfect. So it's mochi with matcha cream inside and then a strawberry right on top. Let's give it a bite.
It's all over your face.
The mochi is so good. It's so pillowy. It's like a matcha cream. Wow. Oh my god, the flavors go so well together because the strawberry is like a little bit sweet, a little bit sour, and the matcha is like a little bit sweet, a little bit bitter. And then you bite into it, the mochi is like a pillow covering the strawberry. Oh my gosh, so delicious.